Yeah. Today is 15th of August, Independence Day. Yesterday night, whole night I was disturbed, and she was raising the voice, and she was not trying to repent. She was trying to dominate this serial now. Don't touch that one. That serial should not start until I come. Why you are starting some TV? So this all these things mm, made me remind that there is a distance. I have to pause because she doesn't want to compromise. And the same game she has played about 3 decades ago with my father, my mother. All these thoughts came into my mind. Yesterday, I made it to a silence, and when she told good night, I didn't respond. So early in the morning, I was disturbed. When she was telling good morning, I didn't do anything because I want to send a message that when I am silent, that means I don't want you to repeat it. But when I shout at her, she double shouts her. She is not in a mode to go back and repeat. Question to question. I am right, you are wrong. Fire at the boundaries. Okay, no introspections. These are the basic, what do you call the blueprints of her style of working. The morning I was maintaining that gap of silence, but suddenly a thought came to me because don't initiate a negative frequency. Don't fish in the dry land. This is what I wrote, and this was from 21 days video of mummy. So then I thought, let me change the frequency. Immediately I changed the frequency, and I became normal, and I was doing it from there. What happened? 7 o'clock to 7 a.m. I got up. Yesterday night I could not even. I was so overwhelmed with grief, or I do not know what it was. I could not do the homework. The discipline homework I could not do, and I was tired. I went to sleep. Maybe at 12 o'clock I slept, and morning 7 o'clock I got up. 7 to 7:30, normalizing myself. She was getting up and she wanted to go to temple. I did my exercise yoga. Then I came running down at 8 o'clock to make some juice for her. But by the time she was ready and she told, no juice is required, I am taking kanji. So I made for my own kanji, and she left, and I did half an hour. Yoga was complete, then I did pranayama in the ground floor. Then immediately what has happened by 9 o'clock, Gopala started the Mani festival. It went up to 1 o'clock. Mani festival was very lot of learning. One learning is that EFT, what that Rupa was telling was, Kashyap was telling was that the old energy pattern is there, therefore I'm releasing the energy pattern. Like that, suppose I have a negative thought or a negative experience, I consider it as a negative experience energy. That energy is already there in my cells stored, therefore when I tap it, I release it. So in this angle, I started understanding that EFT. Another thing is, the good thing is about Santosh. He talked about how a video vision board is made with the help of ChatGPT, and a lot of learnings were there. And three major learnings is I I am a unicorn queen, or I am a queen, a king, and I nurture the nature, and the nature nurtures me. I nurture the nature nurtures me. I am a 100x CEO of the unicorn. I am a 100x unicorn CEO. I do only three things. One is I solve the problems, I create the offers, problem, P-O, and Sell Stories, P-O-S. And one more thing is, I don't remember, it's three things I have to do with affirmation. Then that went up to 1 o'clock, and she came and she made lunch for me. And 1 o'clock to maybe 2 or 3 or 3 o'clock, I felt like um, going to sleep. Then I substituted with morning. I could not do because of my heavy work. I could not do my Sri Vidya Sadhana. I went into Shiva meditation. And afterwards, the Shiva meditation was keeping me in a high level of what you call bliss. And I was not able to do my mundane work. And then yesterday and today, I was going on into X Lab, and today when I was making something, then there was a voltage up with the lip. And also telling why that whether I can do that one or not. Time is not there, energy is coming down, and after 2 hours I want to rest. I was asking mummy why these things are happening, but I know it is good what is happening. And when Kashyap was talking about EFT, they see these people, they don't know EFT, but they are making more money. And I'm a therapist, I'm not able to make money. What is the I don't know what to answer, mother. I know everything. Even when Gopala was telling about the belief system, I know everything, but what is it? I'm not able to make a break even. Uh, I know more and make less money. And they know little, they make more money. Maybe their strategy is different, and their God strategy is different. My God strategy is different. I was a little upset, and I also listened to the video of inaugural show of Rajinikanth of Kuli. There, Rajini tells, appreciates Anirudh, telling at this age, this fellow is going to Himalayas. And I started going to Himalaya at the age of 40. So that means he's able to balance. That means I was thinking that my sattvic energy which I have created. Of course, I do the cleansing process. There is a lot of jhalak is there. No jhalak, no improvement. No jhalak, no changes of belief system. No reformatting of belief system. Therefore, now I thought let me combine affirmations the night with or night before I go to a video, before I go to into my Shivoham or Satyoham. Then one thing what I started, then afterwards, after the yesterday I did Vai Puja, today no Vai Puja, but airdrops were there, and after the clearance I became very, very mad about this ChatGPT. I don't know how I was, whole day was very, very sattvic, asking questions, introspections, dull. I was dull what I am doing, why I am not able to earn money, whether I can earn money or not. And the new thing where they are telling is very, very fundamental. I don't know what to do. My mind was not accepting the fundamental learning. Then maybe the 7 has to go. And also a lot of clarity. And I focus mostly on nurturing. Almost 5-6 videos I started nurturing. Maybe mummy wanted to make me to understand nurturing, why nurturing is required. That is how I see it. Yesterday I could not see the documents. Today I came here for dinner. Now let me see how actually this is taking me. But there is a purpose. Even my silence is a manifestation of the dynamism, passiveness, and dynamism goes together. Thank you.